Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. Welcome back to Dave Eats London. Well, it's Saturday. It's late October. We've been getting the cars ready for winter, getting Big Red ready to put away for storage. We got everything sprayed, but I've had a hankering for chicken wings. So I went to Yelp, typed in chicken wings in London, and the #1 rated restaurant, well, that's where we're going. But it only had one review. One review, 5 stars. Yelp says it's the best. I don't know if I can trust one review, but we're going to know the truth. So let's go to the Loose Rooster.
No, I was more tired from the split. Afterward.
Yes. So here we are. We're at the Loose Rooster. I just came outside to film this quickly. There's only a couple other people in there, but the place is dead quiet. And I don't want to start making too much noise. It's just no one's talking at all in there. So this is a Loose Rooster. Yelp said it was #1, but with only one review. So today's special is Saturday. Wings are regularly $9.99 a pound here. On Saturday, it's $10 a pound, not $9.99, $10 a pound with a beer. So I'm not much of a drinker. We ordered 3. Sorry, someone I just thought I knew there. We ordered 3 pounds of wings, so we got 3 beers coming. We've got honey garlic, garlic parm, and they're hottest when they have. They're Rooster hot, so we'll get back to it once the rings come out. So let's go check it out. Saturday now, it says a quarter chicken and fries here. It's not what it says up on the sign behind us. On the sign behind us, it's 1 pound and a pint of beer. Okay, here we are. Wings are here. Garlic parmesan. Honey garlic. Rooster fire sauce. We're still waiting for an order of fries, but they'll be here in a minute, I'm sure. Lucinda, why don't you try one of those? They look really hot. Are they too hot, do you think?
I'll give it a try.
They look like they're quite well coated, don't they?
Uh-huh.
They
They're hot.
They're warm. How do they taste? All right? Good?
Yeah, these are good.
All right. All right, so I'm going to try the honey garlic first. For not being breaded, for asking for naked, they seem pretty breaded to me. Don't you think, Lucinda?
Yes, I do.
They seem like honey garlic wings. They're really overly breaded. I asked for naked, but put that one aside for a minute.
Sorry about the wait.
No problem. Thank you. Have a good night.
This is the hottest sauce they had. This is the Rooster fire sauce. They have a sauce called Rooster X. They didn't have any. So let's try this one. It's warm. It's buffalo sauce. It's a really hot buffalo sauce, but it's buffalo sauce. They're a good sized wing. I really prefer them naked. That's the way I ordered them. Not the way I got them. Poor girl is here by herself. So, yeah, they're pretty good. We'll wait for the fries. Maybe I'll try a garlic parmesan one, and we'll get back. So Lucinda's trying a honey garlic one. I really got honey garlic.
Not bad. I really would have preferred them without the coating on them. But no, the meat's nice and white inside. There's not a lot of times you get a lot of the purple. They're nice and white meaty inside. They're pretty good.
Yeah. So we got some curly fries. I prefer straight cut fries. They don't look bad, do they?
No.
So you can try one.
They're not bad. Oh. Long and curly. And they're very hot.
I gotta say that all the food comes out hot. You don't have to worry about cold food here. All right, so I'm gonna try one of these curly fries. I think they're frozen fried. I'm pretty sure. I might be wrong. They're pretty good. For a curly fry. Yeah. Try one of these garlic parm wings.
Okay, now I'm going for real. Bye.
They're really not bad. I'm not usually a dry wing person. As you know, I'm not usually a wing person. I just had a real hankering for wings today. I give them a thumbs up. It'd be better if they didn't have the breading. You have that option. Don't want to keep going on about it. She forgot. All right. All right, so that was a Loose Rooster, Highbury and Huron, London, Ontario. Quick video. What did we think? Well, wasn't very happy the order wasn't right, but I wouldn't send it back to the kitchen. You never know what you're going to get when you send food back to the kitchen. So it's edible, just eat it. We thought the price was pretty good. We had 3 beers, a Coke, fries, 3 pounds of wings. That was just under 40 bucks. So that wasn't a bad deal. It's a Saturday deal. Really, it's buy some wings, get a beer for free. So it's really a pretty good deal. All in all, it wasn't bad. I think they're a little understaffed here, and I think that's a problem. There's only one person that seems to be working in there at a time. They've got to do cash, they've got to serve the customers, they've got to cook the food. It's a pretty hectic place, I think. But all in all, I'd give it a thumbs up. I thought the wings were pretty good. I wish they weren't breaded. Maybe next time we'll check it out, and hopefully we'll get them without breading. But hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and look for us next time. I'm Dave, and this has been the Loose Rooster. We'll see you soon.